Alright, the next function that is used in the top 100 PHP functions used in 2022 is break match, and it is on ranking number 16, and it's pretty useful function. To demonstrate it, let's just see. So the break match function is used to perform a regular expression match, and it accepts 5 parameters. The first parameter is the pattern that you want to search for. So here is an example. I am searching for foo in the given string. And the second parameter is the subject or the input string that you want to search in. And the third parameter returns the matches that is found in this input string. And the fourth and fifth parameters are not pretty useful, and it returns as a result either false or the number of occurrence that is found, or it will return the matches as an array, the words that it found in this input string. So if I save this and view in the browser, as you can see here we found the foo world, and it returns the index 0. If there were other found, it will return array of 1, array of 2, and so on. Then here is another example of break match function, which is going to find out the host name from a given URL. So you will pass this pattern and then the input URL here, which is www.php.net and /index.html, and then the matches will return the match that it found in this, which is this one. And then we are using another break match, which is going to return the exact host name, and we are passing the first host that we found, and we will return the matches, and then we are just viewing the first match. So if I save this, going back to the browser, and if I push the page, as you can see it says the host name as php.net. So that's how we remove the slashes as well as the first slashes, and then we return just the exact host name from the given URL.